heroes. This is Gus from the Hero Academy Hero Hub. If you are watching this transmission, that means that you have made it to the final mission. The final mission. 8 weeks, 8 challenges, 8 chances to prove that glitches are just problems waiting for heroes. Thanks to your Hydro Hero mission, the flooded systems are draining. The supply crates are safe. The lower levels are stabilizing. And yes, the snack cabinet survived, barely. But now we have one final emergency. Glitched Gus has exposed the hero core. The main power system is fragile, unstable, and vulnerable to impact. If the hero core cracks, the entire hero hub could shut down again. All the systems you restored could glitch. The lights could go out. The map could reset. And I may have to start this whole summer mission over from week 1. Heroes, I do not have the emotional capacity for that.
No, this cannot be happening. The hero core is almost restored. Your recruits were never supposed to make it this far. If they complete this mission, everything I built will disappear. You cannot let them finish. System failing.
Heroes. He sounds a little different this time, not just glitchy. He sounds desperate. And that means we are close. He knows you have restored almost every system. He knows the Hero Hub is almost back online. And now he's trying one last attack. So this week, we protect what matters. Your final mission is Invulnerability Test. This week, you will design a protective container for something very fragile. That might be a real egg, a plastic egg, or another fragile object your family or teacher approves. Your job is to create a design that protects it from impact. You will think like an engineer. You will ask, how can I slow the fall? How can I cushion the landing? How can I spread out the force? How can I keep the fragile object from cracking? This mission is not just about making something pretty. Although, if your egg container has style, I support that wholeheartedly. This mission is not just about that. It's about protection, structure, and smart design. Before you complete the final math mission, complete your reading unlock. This week's reading unlock is write a sequel prediction in 5 sentences. That means you will predict what could happen next in your book or your story. Think about what problem might happen next. What choice might the main character make? What could change? What lesson might continue? What new adventure could begin? Heroes make prediction by using clues, not just random guesses. Not then a dragon appeared, unless your book already had dragon energy, maybe. Use what you know from the story to make a smart prediction. Now, for the math mission. You will complete the invulnerability test. Depending on your grade level, you may design a protective container, test different materials, explain how your design absorbs the impact, measure or compare drop heights, record whether the object survived, revise your design after testing. Older heroes may think about force, impact, cushioning, gravity, structure, surface area, design improvements. And remember, if your first test fails, that does not mean you failed. It means your design gave you information, data. Engineers test, engineers revise, engineers improve, and sometimes engineers clean egg off the driveway. That's also part of the process. Gus Memory Hack. This week's memory hack is Soft and slow, don't let it go. Say it with me. Soft and slow, don't let it go. That means your container should help slow the impact and cushion the fragile object. Soft materials can absorb the force. A smart structure can spread the impact. A secure design can keep the object from bouncing out and making a dramatic escape. Soft and slow, don't let it go. That's how we're going to protect the hero core. This week, your mission, you may need lots of different supplies. You can use what you have around your house. You don't have to go out and buy anything. You can use an egg or a plastic egg, a paper. You might need paper, tape, cotton balls, straws, maybe some cardboard, some newspapers, rubber bands, plastic bags, bubble wrap, recycled materials, safe drop area, safety reminder. Ask an adult before dropping anything. Do not drop objects from dangerous heights. Do not climb the furniture. Do not drop eggs inside the house unless your adult is extremely brave. Do not test near pets, siblings, cars, electronics, or anyone's shoes. Heroes protect the mission area and the carpet, especially the carpet. When your final mission is complete, upload your proof of power to Padlet. You can upload a photo of your egg protection design, a short video of your test, your explanation of how your design worked, your drop height, whether the egg or fragile object survived, what you would change if you tested it again, your 5 sentence sequel prediction. Then add your final sticker or check to mission 8 of your master hero map. Mission 8. That means if you completed all 8 missions, you reached elite hero status. And if you completed 6 or more, you reach VIP hero celebration status. Either way, you showed perseverance. You showed stick with itness. You practiced reading. You used math. You tested ideas. You solved problems. You did hero work. Heroes! The signal is clearing. The hero core is stabilizing. Systems are reconnecting. Reading power is online. Math power is online. STEM power is online. Creativity power is online. Problem solving power online. Hero Hub restoration is complete. Heroes, you did it. You restored the Hero Hub. You proved that summer learning can be powerful, creative, and full of problem solving. You faced every glitch. You completed the missions. You kept going. And now your final task is complete. Make sure your hero map is updated. Make sure your proof of power is uploaded. Make sure your name is ready for VIP Hero Celebration if you completed 6 or more missions. And remember, glitches are just problems waiting for heroes. This has been Gus, Hero Academy Hero Hub Commander, officially signing off from the final summer mission. Stay brave, stay curious, stay ready. Because heroes don't stop learning just because the mission ends. Gus, out.